In 2 weeks, a battle between Harris and Trump. Yes, that's the news of today. The presidential election will be then. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so 1 puzzle is left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the Tectonic number 9469. 9469, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with the 3 stars by the publisher. For a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe it's a 0 stars or 1 star. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only 1 single box. No, 1, 2, 3. 3 single boxes. Single boxes always a 1. Here 1, there 1, and here 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I see here a dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here another one, the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quarter boxes? Let me check. I see only 1 quarter box in the L shape. When you see a quarter box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. More quarter boxes? No, it's only 1. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. If you flip this, you will get the S. This one is the Z. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Alright, let me draw this here. When you see this construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case it's the 1 here, and that case is a 3 there. We have only 1 Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. It's rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. From us 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. From us the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area. From us 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left now in this area for number 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. We have 2 numbers left in the Z construction for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box. So L shape should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat L shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat L shape. For numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. Let me see. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1 should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, we saw it again, told you. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.